Hello and welcome. I splurged a little on the K702 headphones by AKG by Harman. It's studio headphones around 130. Really the reason why I did was because a streamer, a game dev streamer that I find very impressive, had it on their list of tech they use. I'm going to link to it because the way they illustrate that is freaking amazing. I don't even have links. It's crazy. So link to the product, of course, in the description, and also to where I got my, let's say, inspiration to get it. I just took the cover off from the box. That was kind of off camera. Let me do that again. So yeah, I don't like the state of the packaging here. Hopefully this is still a unused product, but I can just slide this off or up. Here's the box. Expect the best. That's a nice way to say that your product is probably awesome. We have this kind of resealable seal. All right. Expect and discover. In here we have some documents, and there's the headphones. Let's just take a look at warranty and warranty card and I guess manual. Well, we're going to take a look at this in a second. Let me just get that out of the way. So here are the headphones. Oh, nice. And what else is in here? Oh yes, and here we have the cable and an adapter. Now I'm making this video actually because I checked for unboxing videos and they sucked. So I wanted to make a decent one where you are getting a bit closer to a product. And in particular, I was curious about the cable. So before I forget, let's do the cable first. Okay, so here's the cable, and it has a mini, what are these called again? XLR, mini XLR. And there is, I forget, 5.3 millimeters is a big one, I guess. And you can simply screw off. Yeah, it's screwable, not pluggable. It's a screw-on adapter. By default, it's 3.5 millimeters. That I was not sure of, but yet I made this purchase. And that is good, because my setup requires a just 3.5 millimeter plug. The adapter goes to my adapter bin, or shelf, or, cupboard. And this one we don't have to cut open. Here they are. Weird. I expected them to be less silvery and more black. Huh. Wow, they are definitely open. I can definitely hear very well through them. I wonder if I'm going to regret this, but I have a good return policy on this. So let's take a look. That's what really was interesting to me. Camera focused, all right. There's the plug, there's the socket. Okay, I see it. You cannot accidentally plug it in incorrectly because there's a little let me zoom in on this. I think I can. Okay, so it's probably not very well visible, but there is a little bump on the plug and also on the socket over there. Let me just get a little light. Okay, you can kind of see it that the circle is not completely round. There is a little niche. So you can only stick it in one way. Like this. There. Let me do that again. Impossible. Okay, so you can only stick it in that way. Boy, they are nice to the touch and to the ear touch. And then we have this quite long cable, probably annoyingly long for me. Made in China, it says there on leather band. Let's take a quick look at the manual. In all honesty, really not that interested, but let's do it anyways. Warranty card, I don't know, export card or something. Don't wear near a pacemaker. Do not insert jack plug into electrical sockets. Oh my goodness. Supervise children, not a toy. And maximum volume warning. Okay, there's nothing here really. Information on disposal. Fine, fine, fine. So that's the waste inside, not too bad. That's the product. And that's the cable. And that's the adapter. And that's the box it comes in. And that is the box around the box, the packaging. Some patent is in action here. And supposedly it sounds great. Okay, and there was nothing else in here. Okay, so let me know what you think of this, from this impression that I'm giving you. I'm gonna put this in here, and actually gonna put this in here as well, just in case I decide to return it, in which case I'm gonna write an update in the description and the comments. But if not, if you don't see any updates within a month, you can very well be sure that I kept it, and I'm pretty sure I will, unless I have to replace it if there's some damage, but I doubt it. Nice box, nice product. Now, time to listen to it. Not part of this video though. So, subscribe and give me a like if this was useful at all, and I will see you next time perhaps, if I unbox something interesting for you again. Until then, ciao!